Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we will show you how to remove and replace front grille on Dodge Charger guys. Stay with us, we're gonna start on it in a second. Please subscribe and let's grow the channel together, be part of it. So now in order to remove the grille guys, you need to remove those plastic trims right here. So you just pull those out, okay, like that. There is a few clips and you need to remove this one here as well. Okay, just like that. And that's the grille guys right here in the back. So now let's see if we can reach that thing from here without removing the bumper cover. Okay, we'll show you where all the clips are once we remove it. Okay, and there is a few bolts, screws as well. So stay with us guys, we're going to remove the bumper. You don't have to do that, but once we remove it we'll be able to show you better so you know what to expect. Okay guys, next thing we'll need to remove the tire. Okay, and we'll need to remove a few clips, so you just push those in. Okay, this one is a different kind. We need to remove the middle piece out. Okay, so you need to remove the middle piece out of here. Those you just push the middle piece in. They have a few different kinds. Okay, and now we have a clip right here as well that we will need to remove. Okay, came out. You can see what it looks like. This one right there now. We need to remove the ABS cable. So push on the spring down and then you can pull the sensor out. Okay, this one here, we will need to remove that fender liner so we can get to it guys. Okay, let's see if we can pull it out. Okay, just like that, the front end of it. And now we'll have one bolt right here that we will need to remove. Two of them actually. Okay, right here you can see with a 10mm socket. Okay, one is out. And the other one is right in front of you there. Okay guys, trying to do our best here. There is one more bolt, okay, that we need to show you. Okay, so the other bolt is right here going this way. It's really hard to show you guys exactly where it is. It's a nut. Okay, actually not a bolt. With a 10mm socket. Okay, that one is out of there. Once we remove the bumper, we will show you where exactly it is. Now if you go towards the front, now there is another bolt. Okay, right there. Okay, now we need to pull the... Okay, you can see the turn signal out. You can do that from under the end if you go through the engine bay, but that's the thing you're looking for. You need to push it this way and pull it out, and you need to disconnect the wire, and we need to do the same procedure on the other side. Alright guys, we're on the passenger side now and we're going to do the same procedure as well. You need to push those in, the center pieces on the front clips. We need to remove the ABS cable, push down and pull on the cable. And a few more clips so we can get to the two bolts and the nut there that we already removed on the other side. Okay, we're almost ready here now. We're going to pull it out to the side. Okay, now we can get to the two bolts with the 10mm socket and the two nuts. Actually one nut, two bolts and one nut. Okay, out of there. Okay, that came out. We lost it somewhere, but it's out. Okay, we have one more here on top, that bolt. You can see in the corner. We already removed the turn signal, just the same procedure like the other side. Yeah, okay, right there now. So we need to remove those clips here now. So you need to pull the center piece out, and once you pull it out, the other piece will come out too. Sometimes they will break, so you need to buy replacement ones. If you guys find them on eBay, they're pretty inexpensive, 20 for like $5. Part store, usually they tend to be a little bit expensive. Okay, it came out. And we need to do the same procedure for a few more. One here actually is missing. This bumper has been removed before. Sometimes they'll be really stuck, depending guys if you have dust in them. Okay, and two more there to go. As you can see, one more again missing here. They didn't install this one because I told you they tend to break. We're lucky so far on this one, but on another one that we did a bumper replacement, we broke all of them. And the last one now here. Probably the last one will be the one that's stuck really bad. If you have pliers, guys, it helps a lot with the pliers. Okay, this one came out as well. And we can go ahead and pull the bumper out now. If you have fog lights, you might have wires that you need to disconnect, but this model does not have those, so we don't need to worry about it. Okay guys, so the grill is here now. Okay, those are the bolts that we're talking about, screws with a Phillips screwdriver that are hard to get to. Those in the middles are actually pretty easy, but we have one more on this side here, and on the other side you need to use a very short screwdriver if you don't want to remove the bumper. Otherwise you won't be able to pull the grill out. Okay, right there now, and just one more here. Okay, and after that, you need to push on those things here. And this one is stuck pretty good there. Okay, this one came out. Oh, that was the camera. Okay, two more. And just last one here. You just need to get underneath it, spread it a little bit, and it will come out. Alright guys, and the grill should come right out of here now, as you can see, just like that. So that's how you guys remove and replace the grill. If you need to, you put it back together the same way. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.